In the brutal hierarchy of the first-generation kings in Lookism, Gongseop Ji is known as the Iron Fortress. He isn't the fastest, and he isn't the most technical, but he is the one man who simply refuses to fall. His fighting style is a terrifying mixture of Western boxing and extreme physical conditioning, designed to break an opponent's hands against his own body. If you want to fight like Gongseop Ji, you are not training to be a dancer, you are training to be a tank. This is the guide to becoming immovable. The foundation of Gongseop's style is the iron body conditioning. In the webtoon, he tanks hits that would kill a normal person. In reality, this translates to impact conditioning. You cannot just go to the gym and lift weights. You need to calcify your bones and deaden your nerves. The knuckles. You must do knuckle push-ups on hardwood floors. This creates microfractures in the metacarpals that heal back to answer Wolf's Law. The core. You need a partner to drop a medicine ball on your stomach while you exhale. This teaches you to brace for impact rather than flinching. The neck. A strong neck prevents the brain from rattling. You must do neck bridges and isometric holds. Gongseop takes shots to the chin and smiles. That is only possible if your neck is a shock absorber. Next, we look at his specific technique. The counterpuncher's shell. Gongseop doesn't run around the ring. He stands his ground. He utilizes a variation of the Philly shell or a tight high guard. The shell. Keep your lead shoulder high to protect your chin and your rear hand tight to your face. Your elbows protect your ribs. Be bait. This is the most dangerous part of his game. He lets people hit him on the forehead or the shoulders. Why? Because these are the hardest parts of the body. When the opponent commits to a punch and hits his hard guard, they are off balance. That is when he fires the counter. This leads to his offensive philosophy, the pivot blow. Gongseop doesn't throw light jabs. Every punch is a finisher. Because he is durable, he can afford to wait for the perfect opening. To fight like him, you need to master the right cross counter. The drill. Have a partner throw a jab at your face. Do not back up. Slip their jab to the outside by inches, or catch it on your forehead, and simultaneously drive your right hand over the top. The power comes from the rotation of the hips. You are trading a small amount of damage, taking the hit for massive damage, delivering the counter. Finally, you must adopt the monk mindset. Gongseop Ji is often calm, almost bored, or laughing during a fight. This is psychological warfare. When an opponent hits you with their best shot and you don't move, it breaks their spirit. They start to panic. They think you are a monster. To build this, you need pressure sparring. The drill. Put on headgear and a mouthguard. Have a partner corner you. Your job is not to punch back, but to survive for 3 minutes using only blocks, slips, and shoulder rolls. You learn to breathe in the fire. You learn that getting hit isn't the end of the world. Gongseop Ji proves that you don't need to be a genius to be a king. You just need to be harder than the object hitting you. Train your body until it feels like stone. Protect your chin. And when they break their hand on your shield, that is when you end them.